I'm at the New York City Police Department Harbor Unit, and this is the technology that they use. That's the sonar. They go underneath the water and find whatever they need to find. And then if they need to look closer, they got this little underwater drone. What is it? The Lbv 200 square? What's the resolution on this?
It's not sure, but it's pretty good.
1080 or 720? Any idea?
Probably 720.
720? Or you could only Google it and find out. What's the rescue stick?
Sorry?
What's that rescue stick? Is that something you throw into the water when somebody's drowning?
Yeah, it's
And that helps them float? And there it is, the Lbv 200. And somebody etched it a lot so it doesn't get stolen.
well, somebody stole it, so somebody we lose it because we dragged it in the back of our boat.
Oh, that's why.
And then if we get, you see that there's a lot of scratch marks. Actually, we hit the bottom
A lot.
and they get caught in obstacles. So a lot of time this is a fail-safe cable.
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't take the standoff for energy. So when this snap off, we're going to have to be able to locate it and find it again. So remember,
How fast is this Lbv?
how fast is it?
Yeah.
It's not very fast. It's really meant for us to this is really to get the general location of what we're looking for, and then this is just go down there to see in picture like how are we
going to go get it? How are we
Right,
going to lift it?
right.
You know, is there a dead body in there? Pretty cool technology the police department in New York City uses for their harbor unit, huh?